Hi there, Kelly D. I'm here today to make some homemade granola. It's great to eat, healthy for you, and fun to share. So we're adding 3½ cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. And we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of coconut flakes, and 1 full cup of pecans. It's important not to use roasted nuts in your granola because they've already been roasted and you don't want to burn them. So now we just give it here a nice little mix, breaking up some of the coconut flakes. They can get a little bit clumpy. Start with a ½ a cup of maple syrup, good to the last drop, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a ½ a cup of melted coconut oil. I've gone ahead and melted my coconut oil in the oven while it's preheating to 300 degrees. And last we have a ½ a cup of honey. You can use your own discretion and add a little bit more if you so choose. Now we're going to give those a nice mix. So now that we have our dry ingredients nicely mixed, we are going to combine with our wet ingredients. And you're just giving it a gentle toss so that everything is fully mixed together. And just a nice toss with your spatula. It's important to have a good consistency of wet and dry. I prefer my granola to be a little bit on the wetter side. That usually indicates it's a bit sweeter. Nicely combined. Another nice tip to add crunch and flavor to your granola is to add 1 to 2 egg whites, giving them a light whisk, and it also helps to produce a more clumpy granola. Better for snacking. Now we are combining our egg whites into our granola, giving a nice gentle toss. So now we are adding our granola to a parchment-lined baking sheet. You can just dish it right on the pan, scraping all of the goodness and sweetness you've added to this homemade granola right on there. And using your spatula, just push it out evenly onto the parchment paper. Another trick you can do is pressing it flat with your spatula or a hand. This works well to create that clumpiness that you're looking for. We are going to take our granola and put it in a 300-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Don't forget to set your timer. So before the end of the bake time, I like to take the granola out and give it a quick look over. Make sure I'm liking what I see with all that golden goodness. And then I like to give the granola just a little bit of a toss with a light utensil here. I don't want to rustle it up too much, only because I really like the granola to be on the clumpier side. I think it's more fun to eat that way and makes really good granola. I think we're almost done. I'm just going to pop it back in for a few more minutes. So our granola is done. It is golden and delicious. So now our finishing step is adding the sour cherries. Sprinkling in. Here we go. And then just give them a nice toss. Yum, this looks golden and delicious. I can't wait to have some with yogurt and fresh fruit. All right guys, it just came out of the oven. It is hot and fresh and smells delicious. Check out that. Sour cherries, pecans. This is Kelly's Killer Granola. We love to serve it here in our house with some fresh fruit, obviously granola, and some yogurt of your own choosing. All right, we're gonna throw some things in here. And some fresh fruit. All right, dig and enjoy. Looks good. Mmm.